Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs on a stainless steel pan full guide. Preheat the pan over medium-low heat until evenly warm, then add a thin layer of oil or butter and let it heat until it shimmers. Whisk eggs thoroughly with a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon milk per egg, pour in, and let curds form slowly while stirring gently with a silicone spatula until soft and creamy. Start by cracking eggs into a bowl and whisking until fully combined and slightly frothy, which adds air for fluffiness. Measure 1 tablespoon milk or cream per egg if you like creamier texture, and season lightly with salt and pepper. Preheat your stainless steel pan on medium-low, add oil or butter, and wait for a thin shimmering film before adding eggs so they cook evenly and release cleanly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel and keeps tips coming. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It manages crumbs and spills so your stainless steel pans stay tidy during busy mornings. Check the description for the product link and other deals. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. When eggs hit the warm pan, let them sit just long enough for edges to set. Then begin gentle folding motions from the outer edge to the center. Keep the heat low and stir intermittently to form large, soft curds rather than tiny, rubbery bits, taking about 2-4 minutes depending on batch size. Once eggs are just slightly underdone, remove from heat and rest for a few seconds to finish cooking off the pan to perfect softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.